Good morning everybody. I am So Avtade Madam from Lanza Junior College. Today we are going to discuss the derivatives of composite functions. That is exercise 1.1 question number 2. The sub questions are 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, let us solve one by one. Question number first. 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 solution. Let y equal to 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3. So we know that if y equal to a raised to f of x, then dy upon dx equal to, we can write a raised to f of x into log a into f dash of x. Using this formula, we can solve this example. See here, therefore, differentiating the above equation, we get dy upon dx equal to, first put a raised to f of x, that is a raised to sin cube x plus 3. Now write log a means here it is a equal to 5. So write log 5. Next, differentiation of the function, that is d dx of sin cube x plus 3. Okay, this is equal to 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log 5. Next, differentiation of sin cube x is 3 sin square x and 3 sin square x into d dx of sin x, and differentiation of 3 is 0. Therefore, right here, this is equal to 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log 5. Now see here, differentiation of sin cube x is 3 sin square x. Right here, 3 sin square x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, so answer is 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 log 5 into 3 sin square x into cos x. This is the answer. Next, consider the second example. The second example is, that is simple, cosec root cos x. Let define the function y equal to cosec root cos x. So this is of the form y equal to cosec f of x, then dy upon dx can be given by minus cosec f of x into cot f of x into f dash of x. This is the formula for this example. So differentiating the equation first, that is dy upon dx equal to, see here, differentiation of cosec is minus cosec root x into cot root cos x into differentiation of the function, that is root cos x. So right here, minus cosec root cos x into cot root cos x. Differentiation of root cos means differentiation of root function is 1 upon 2 root cos x into differentiation of cos x. Okay. Next, see here, minus cosec cos x. Next 1 upon 2 root cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So right here minus into minus becomes plus cosec root cos x cot root cos x into sin x divided by 2 square root of cos x. Therefore answer is sin x into cosec root cos x cot root cos x divided by 2 square root of cos x. This is the answer for second example. Next, consider the third one. Consider the third example, that is log of cos of x cube minus 5. So first define the function. Let y equal to log of cos of x cube minus 5. This is log function. So differentiation of log function is 1 upon the function and differentiation of that function. We know that. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy upon dx equal to, first write here 1 upon the function, that is cos of x cube minus 5 into d dx of cos of x cube minus 5. This is equal to 1 upon cos x cube minus 5 into differentiation of cos is minus sin x cube minus 5 into d dx of the function, that is x cube minus 5. See here 1 upon cos of x cube minus 5, differentiation of cos f of x is minus sin f of x. So write here first minus sin x cube minus 5, differentiation of this function, that is differentiation of x cube minus 5. So we can write this is equal to, that is dy upon dx equal to 1 upon cos of x cube minus 5 into minus sin x cube minus 5 into differentiation of x cube is 3x square and differentiation of constant term, that is 5 is 0. So finally minus 3x square sin of x cube minus 5 divided by cos of x cube minus 5. This is equal to, we can write minus 3x square tan of x cube minus 5. This is the answer for third example. Next, consider the fourth one. Okay. The next example, that is e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. First define the function. Let y equal to e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x, differentiating with respect to x. Here this is e raised to f of x function. if y equal to e raised to f of x, then dy upon dx equal to e raised to f of x into f dash of x. This is the formula. So write differentiating this equation first with respect to x. We get dy upon dx equal to, first put e raised to f of x as it is, e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into differentiation of, that is 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Okay, so write e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Next, carry on the differentiation of this function. 3 is a constant term. Differentiation of sin square is 2 sin x into d dx of sin x. 3 is a constant. Here x raised n for n equal to 2, 2 sin x d dx of sin x minus 2 is a constant, and here n equal to 2, so put here 2 cos x into d dx of, 2 cos x d dx of cos x. Next, see here, put this is equal to e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. 3 into 2 gives 6 sin x differentiation of sin is cos x minus 2 into 2 4 cos x into differentiation of cos is once again minus sin x, e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 6 sin x cos x, minus into minus becomes plus 4 sin x into cos x. So we get e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 10 sin x into cos x. We can write this sin square x minus 2 cos square x. We can split it 5 into 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so write here e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 5. We can write this as sin 2x. Therefore answer is 5 into sin 2x into e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. This is the answer. Next, consider the last example. Okay. The last one is cos square log of x square plus 7. So first define the function. Okay, we can write this example as cos of log of x square plus 7 raised to 2. Okay, now this is of the form cos of log of x square plus 7. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy upon dx. See here, first n equal to 2, write here 2 cos of log of x square plus 7, 2 minus 1 gives 1 into differentiation of cos of log of x square plus 7. This is equal to 2 into cos of log of x square plus 7. Differentiation of cos is minus sin log of x square plus 7 into d dx of log of x square plus 7. Okay. Now here this is equal to 2 cos of log of x square plus 7 into the bracket minus sin log of x square plus 7. See, differentiation of log of x square plus 7. This is a log function. So write here 1 upon x square plus 7 into d dx of x square plus 7. So 2 cos of log of x square plus 7 minus sin log of x square plus 7 into 1 upon x square plus 7. Differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of 7 is 0. So this is equal to minus into plus is minus 2 cos of log of x square plus 7 into sin of log of x square plus 7 into 2x divided by x square plus 7. We can write this as, see, 2 cos log x of x square plus 2 and sin. We can write, first write 2x upon x square plus 7 into, we can write this as sin of 2 log of x square plus 7. This is the answer for last example. Okay, goodbye. We will see the next examples in next video.